Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take vitamin D3 solution 60,000 EU. Measure the exact drops using the provided dropper and follow your prescribed frequency without improvising. Wash your hands and tilt your head slightly back. Place the dropper under your tongue or into a teaspoon and administer slowly. Swallow after 30 seconds if instructed, and record the dose in a medication log to track consistency and avoid double dosing. Check the bottle for dosing instructions and any special storage notes before each use. Assemble the dropper and a clean surface, and keep a glass of water nearby for comfort. Gently invert the bottle and draw the exact amount, avoiding bubbles for an accurate dose. If you have difficulty with the dropper, ask a caregiver to assist or contact your healthcare provider for a demonstration and written confirmation of the correct technique. Administer the dose as prescribed and stay consistent with timing to maintain stable levels. If you feel unwell after a dose, stop and contact your clinician right away and bring the bottle to your appointment. Keep a simple log of date, time, and any side effects to share at follow-up. Never give this concentrated solution to children unless specifically prescribed, and always double-check dosing calculations before each use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.